I'm Amira and I study Applied Medical Sciences here at UCL.
And I'm Abby. I'm studying medicine and we're both based here at the Royal Free.
We want to show you around some of our student spaces, like where our lectures are and places to study.
The Royal Free has been doing great things in healthcare since 1828. It's always been ahead of the curve, whether that's in research or tackling health inequalities. And I think the same forward-thinking vibe is still here today.
This is one of several teaching labs. Today we're doing a typical first or second year experiment.
Being in a hospital setting means that we're constantly learning in a real-world environment, and it's helped me feel way more confident learning in both a clinical and research setting.
We get to meet and learn from researchers, clinicians, and scientists. It's great how much you learn and pick up just from being here.
The kind of clinical trials and put them into patients.
Everything's close together. It makes life so much easier and helps build a real sense of community.
Sometimes after lectures, we can just head out here, grab lunch, catch up with friends. It's a great balance between work and downtime. Tutorials are super interactive and are designed to support lectures. Smaller groups means that you can ask questions, problem solve, and really get into the topic.
The library's packed with resources, clinical medicine, health sciences, and much more. Plus, it's a great spot to study or meet up for group work.
This is the Pathology Museum, and it's one of the coolest parts about being here. It's got over 8,000 specimens and is used for teaching over lots of different subjects.
It's used in arts and sciences too, for artistic inspiration, which makes it a really unique learning space.
We're just a short tube journey from Euston Station, which is useful when travelling from the main UCL campus in Bloomsbury.
There's so much to do: museums, food, music, parks. It's the perfect mix of study and lifestyle.
Whether it's studying, socialising, or just taking a break, we find the Royal Free and its facilities a great place to be.